No, that's my kid.
I gotta clap it off. If I don't clap this mug off, you don't get the $5. Ready?
Put your head down. Put your head down. Go do it, dog.
I don't even want to see it.
Go do it.
I don't even want to see
You gonna clap it on your earlobe.
Oh my God.
That's the meaty part of the ear. You ain't gonna feel it.
You gotta put it right here. Oh shit! $5. I'm gonna clap these motherfucking vice grips onto his ear, and he has to hold his on 35 seconds.
30 seconds, nigga.
35. You tripping? 35 seconds.
You gonna count it down, D? Hold on, let's make sure we got somebody gonna count it down. You gonna count it down, D? I'll count it down. I'll count it down. I'll count it down. You gonna see if we gonna do it?
Let's do this, bro.
Come on.
Let's do this. Danny Glover, take one. Bro, I swear, if you don't give me my 35 seconds, you cannot have this $5. You get $2.50.
It ain't gonna hurt. Just watch your legs when you jump
But
out.
hold your head down, because you're gonna make me get the you gonna make me get the meaty part of that motherfucker.
Hey, look, don't hit on my neck.
I'm not. I'm trying to get your earlobe where your earring go.
Hey, that's what it's gonna feel like. You get a piercing in your